Hello everyone, welcome to Edison KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. Evaluate expression a equal 1 over square root 2 minus square root 3 times square root 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 3 over 3 square root 2 plus 2 square root 3 all power 20 and 22. Before we go to the solution, please don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more exciting video. And go to the solution together. First, we use the part to simplify it. So we get square root 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 3 all over 3 square root 2 plus 2 square root 3 and equal 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 3 all over 3 square root 2 plus 2 square root 3 and I time it with 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 3. When below we time with this and the over we must time with this part 2. So we time with 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 3. And we get square root 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 3 all square over 3 square root 2 all square minus 2 square root 3 all square. This section we use the rule a minus b times a plus b equal a square minus b square. So we think this a and this b, this a and this b. So we have a plus b times a minus b, we get a square minus b square. So a square, this b square. And we get equal square root 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 3 all square over this part we use a b all power n. We get a power n b power n. So 3 square root 2 all square equal 3 square times square root 2 square. And if we simply we get 9 times 2 equal 18. So we get 18 minus, and the part we also use the rule a b all power n equal a power n b power n. So we get 2 square root 3 all square equal 2 square times square root 3 square equal 4 times 3 equal 12. So we write it 12. And we get equal square root 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 3 all square over 6. And we get square root. We can write it 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 3 all over square root 6 all square. And we can simply add square and square root. We get 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 3 over square root 6. And then we get 3 square root 2 over square root 6 minus 2 square root 3 over square root 6. And we can simplify it. We get 3 over square root 3 minus 2 over square root 2. And then we get 3 square root 3 over 3 minus 2 square root 2 over 2. And then we get 3 square root minus square root 2. We can replace it to this expression A. We get A equal 1 over square root 2 minus square root 3 times square root 3 minus square root 2, all power 20 and 22. And we can take minus out. We get 1 over square root 2 minus square root 3 times minus square root 2 minus square root 3, all power 20 and 22. And we can simplify it. Square root 2 minus square root 3. We can simplify it square root 2 minus square root 3, and we equal minus 1 all power 20 and 22. And equal 1. So we get the solution. Thus A equal 1. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget subscribe, share and like for more exciting video. Goodbye.